Eagles, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys around the Pi dashboard, okay, the Pi browser. Now, I'll be showing you some of the utilities surrounding Pi, the Fireside, the wallet, the Brainstorm, the Mind, the blockchain, the develop, the KYC section, the charts, and the profile. Okay, there's been a lot that has been built on Pi since the launch of Pi. Now we are here to launch the Pi network. Okay, the main net, which is going to be happening February 20 of these 2025. So now, the first part you need to look at is basically the KYC part, which because it's actually quite urgent, you need to go ahead and do your KYC as soon as possible. But now, for the sake of me obeying Pi policy, I'm not actually going to be opening the KYC section because I happen to be a validator, and it's actually against a Pi policy for you to show sensitive data. So I might open it and then you end up seeing sensitive data, which means I'll be breaching and I'll be violating the Pi policy. So I wouldn't be opening the KYC section. So just go ahead and click on it. It's actually very, very easy to use. The user interface is quite easy. So go ahead and do your KYC, and that's all. Make sure you use valid documents and make sure your face scan is clear. You are in a well lighted area and your Pi KYC will go through. All right. So this, and I'm telling you that because these are the major things that I look at when I validate people. So if you have your Pi KYC yet to be validated, is because your documents are not okay and your documents are not clear when you're snapping them, and also your documents are not clear, and also your scanning, your face scanning was not actually clear. So these are the issues you should look at. Now, coming to the Fireside is just like a social media platform where you could go ahead and join channels and post within those channels based on your area of interest. For example, if you're into e-commerce, you can join the Pi commerce section. So if you come to the post section, you can see the channels where you can post, and you can see the Pi commerce section. So you can make posts related to commerce, and then maybe you could actually get a lot of attention from the Pi community. As you can see, about 5,936 people are part of this. So this is actually going to be earning you a lot of attention. So as well, you can go ahead and apply for. If you come to my tokens, you can go ahead and apply for to become a moderator, and then you can go ahead and watch ads to earn tokens. So you watch one ad and you earn one more token. Then you can actually go ahead and buy some Pi token. Okay, some tokens, not the Pi coin now. So you can use one Pi to actually buy 100 tokens, which I believe that you are going to be using this within the Pi ecosystem. So actually, it's a good one. Okay, it's a good one. Now coming to the post section, all you need to do is just to, for example, I'm more interested in the e-commerce section, so I can just go ahead and click on Pi Commerce. Then I'll click on pick a channel, and then I'm going to type the title of my post, put the content, choose an image, and it's done. I can make a post. So just go ahead and explore this. You can go ahead and follow people, like posts and all of that. So whenever you make a post, I think it generates you some tokens. Okay, it's Pi blockchain is actually a very, very powerful blockchain. And I don't really want to, because I don't want to prolong this video, but I don't want to make it too long. So maybe in my next video, I'll be explaining a whole lot about Pi blockchain and how you can monetize some of the utilities within Pi blockchain, maybe to create a business around it or whatever we want to do. So the Pi wallet, Pi wallet also contains sensitive data, but I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Now it contains your seed phrase, and you can actually open your Pi wallet with your seed phrase. You must input your passphrase whenever you want to open Pi wallet, or you can use another option, which is actually the unlock with fingerprints option. So just go ahead and enable that option so that whenever you want to open your Pi wallet, you can just use the fingerprint option. Now this is for security reasons. Now the brainstorming session is actually one of the most important section on the Pi blockchain, because it talks about new projects, the utility that is being built on Pi, and you can actually see new project that will be launching on Pi. Get to test them, see the code for this project. Contribute to this project, join the hackathon, and that is actually where you can get so much value from the Pi ecosystem. So it's actually a big deal, and it provides you the the opportunity to become an early bird within the Pi ecosystem. So you are still early. So what you just need to do is just to go ahead, I know, explore this brainstorming section. So for the mine, you already know that if I open the mine section, it takes you back to the mining, which majority of you guys are already familiar with. So if you are not already mining Pi, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it and start mining Pi. Now for the blockchain section, this generally provides you information about the blockchain, what is going on. It gives you access to the blockchain explorer. You can see the transaction going on there. Generally, the blockchain statistics. So you can go ahead and see. As of now, we have a total of about 66.2 billion migrated Pi. You know, Pi has a total supply of 100 billion. So currently about 6.2 billion is migrated, and currently locked is about 4.6 billion. And as you can see, if I move back, you can actually have access to the developer section. So if you are actually a developer and you want to build on Pi blockchain, you can go ahead and suggest a project either on the testnet or on the mainnet, and maybe you can start working on it. And hopefully the project gets approved, and then you are part of, you know, the big boys in the Pi blockchain. So you can go ahead and create a new app. You know, just explore this section. Now, if you notice, I created a testnet application, and it's actually a design hub, but I haven't started working on this. Hopefully, I will. So, leaving this section, you can come to the so you can as well come to the KYC section, which I explained earlier, and the chat section. Okay, get to chat with some of your downliners, your referrals. Get to chat with communities, people within your country, people within your location, you know, and all of that. You know, get to learn from people, and it's actually a very, very powerful utility within the Pi ecosystem because it helps people to interact, and then you can actually know what people's plan are for the Pi ecosystem, and maybe, you know, key into their goals. So we can actually see the Pi announcement channel too, the English chat, the Pi pioneers, and actually I'm a Pi pioneer, so the NFT art for Pi and all of that. So go ahead and, you know, discover new channels and, you know, explore some of these channels. Okay. So next is actually the profile section. Now, as you can see, when I joined Pi, okay, when I joined Pi, now you're going to notice that my profile says Farm Easy. My username says Farm Easy. Now, when I joined Pi Network, I wasn't really sure of my popular name in the blockchain. It's already in the blockchain, yeah. So I ended up answering Ego Chancellor instead of Farm Easy. So you can actually follow me. You can see this is my profile. I can go ahead and follow me. As you can see, I have 5 followers and I have 5 friends. That's because I followed each person back. So if you follow me, I'm going to follow you back on Pi ecosystem. So you can go ahead and do, you know, profile settings and all of that. So trust me, the Pi system is actually one of its kind. All right, it's a huge and it's a big deal. Now, what I'll be doing is that this is actually a review video on the components of the Pi blockchain and the Pi browser. So what I'll be doing is that in my next video, I'll be I'll pick out each of them and I'll be explaining each of these components one by one, and I'll go into details of each of these components. So go ahead and follow me. I'll be leaving the description. In the description, I'll be leaving the link to MinePipe just in case you haven't started. So go ahead and MinePipe. We've just mined only about I don't really think we've mined up to 10 billion. So we still have maybe over 80 billion pi to mine. So make sure you go ahead and actually mine more pi, because there's still more opportunities for you to mine pi now and even in the future. All right, guys. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video.